There are 4 crews doing this installation, light up the night, of course. There's a crew out of San Antonio that does all of the aerial climbing and rappelling way high up in the trees. And then there's 2 crews here from Maryland. In total, about 25 to 28 folks. They'll be here for about 3 weeks straight, and they decorate for both Halloween and Christmas in this one installation. Of course, the lights for Halloween go on there, and then they're ready for the Christmas lighting. They've got about 150 trees that they're wrapping about 30 feet high on the trunks that they're using Treesy Wrap for, and then they're filling in the branches the traditional way this year. I think there'll be an opportunity for potentially using the Treesy Wrap on the branches for next year.